What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. As you guys can see behind me, I am about to head into a Dollar Tree. This is going to be Dollar Tree number 2 of the day, and the things that I'm looking for are the 3-in-1 Shopkins body wash, shampoo, conditioner. I'm also looking for those brand new cactus stickers. What else is on my list? Possibly those cactus shot glasses if they're cute enough, even though I have no need for shot glasses. And what else? Seems like there's something else on my list. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and head in, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and head into Dollar Tree. So new this week, we have some cute, really super soft, like microfiber cosmetic bags. And we have a few different varieties. We have the pink bottom and the green bottom. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, and we have the lilac. And I think these are new also, the little keychains with the tassel and the purse. We have that in the lilac. I really like this little green one. That's cute. And then we have this pink one here. And we still have the little unicorn keychains and the little plushy carabiners. These have been here for a little bit. I think this is the only location that I've seen these in, though. We have some LED night lights. The sticky notes are fully stocked. We have lots of letters. My kids all have X names. Do we have any M's? Do we have any X's? No. But I like how bright and pretty these are. They're really cute. We have more little tassel keychains. This one is new. Loop and lace with clips. If you want to make little bracelets or little lanyards. And let's check out these notebooks. Oh, this is my first time seeing these. We have Be Brave. And we also have Dream Big. These are really cute. Oh, and we also have Shine Bright. I really like the Shine Bright. I'm seeing some new plates and bowls and coffee cups. I think this might be the style that was out last spring. And these are by Royal Norfolk. They feel really nice. So cute. And we also have some new towels down here. And these are all terry towels. We have the orange, the green. They feel kind of thick. And this blue is really nice too. Here's another look at the LED owls. I showed you guys my little toads I got last week, but this store has the owls out this week and they're really cute. Then we have some new fiber optic decor in 3 different varieties. Let's see if there's anything new. What is this? Oh, the packaging made me think it was something new. We have a pack of moist wipes here. You get 20 in a pack. They have some pure silk razors, 5 in a pack. Also some Bic Silky Touch razors, 2 in a pack. And I've heard a lot of you say that you love these by Relia Shave. This is the 6-blade razor. You get 2 of them. And they also have them for men. This is a new item this week. We have a compact trimmer. And this is for eyebrows, face, bikini line. This is my first time ever seeing these here in Dollar Tree. And it has a little cleaning brush. It seems like every Dollar Tree has a variety of Easter items that they're getting in. Some stores vary, like we have this little potted daisy. I think this is my first time seeing that. We have some different little glass vases that are in. This is actually a plastic. And lots of cute little balloons. I love the bunny. And many bouquets up here. Some even have the little sparkly eggs. Some even have butterflies. One of you was asking about the new baking cups on my last live stream in Dollar Tree, and we didn't find them, but they're out now. So we have the cute little striped variety. We have this pretty floral variety with really small little ladybugs. These are cute. And lots of oven mitts. Let spring begin. I love that. What a pretty color. And also the matching pot holders. And of course we have some microfiber towels that are in really pretty colors. I'm just so in love with this color this year. Lots of pretty favor boxes with nice foiled accents. That has a nice blue foiled accent. This one we have the pink or purplish accent. Those are adorable. We have the stripes, and we have many pretty matching plates. These are so gorgeous. Really nice, you guys. I love these little cups too. These are new this week. The little spiral art kit. They also have them in purple. And then we have the little boxes that we can color or paint. The baker's twine is back. We can't always find glue sticks at Dollar Tree, but when you guys do see them, if you have a glue gun, this is the place to get them. And those are the glue sticks for the smaller sized glue gun. Gator used to love this. When he was little, I had one of these for him. And then we lost letter J, and I think we recycled it or we tossed it out. These are cute, really cute for baby. We also have them in the numbers, and I have to say the quality of these feels really nice. It doesn't feel floppy at all. It feels really sturdy and thick, like it would last. I really love this little one. Let's go ahead and look at some more Easter items. They have a nice supply of the cactus back this week, the foam cactus, and the succulents, and the bamboo. I think these little bunnies are new. Treat bags. These are chair covers. You get one in a pack. And they have tons of Easter grass. And I love this set here because I really love the cats in this pack. Oh, look at the little dogs in this pack. How cute. This is my first time seeing those. And they have some really pretty shimmery ones too. These are nice. I think I want to do an Easter egg hunt for my kids this year. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, I love these bunnies. Aren't they cute? We have the pink and the white, and then we have the chickies too. Ooh, more new ones. Look at these. These are jumbo bunnies. I like them. And this pack gives you 18 eggs. 18 in a pack. We also have this variety here. Nice. Oh, look at the little birdies. I got the bunnies last week, so this is the one that I got last week. And I really like this one too. I really like the birdies too. Ooh, these are new. Window decorations, aka jumbo stickers you could use on packages, you could use on crafts. These are so cute. They're really big too. I love this little guy here. He's so cute. Aww, he's my favorite. He is my favorite, and we have him over here too. This is kind of plasticky though, really thin. I don't know how well that would hold up. And we have some new gardening things that are out. Trowels, cultivators. We have some more items over here for planting. I'm looking forward to planting some flowers this spring. We even have some nice little watering cans. That feels kind of nice. It's really ergonomic. And some hanging planters. Well, hey you guys, that's it for this week's walkthrough of Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. I love coming in all these different Dollar Tree locations, and I've kind of been making it a habit to go to every store I can, to go to every Dollar Tree I can when I go out each week, just to show you guys what's new and to try to cross things off my wish list. So hey, if you guys are enjoying these videos, please share them with your friends and family. Hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.